We got a nice place. What's this one? Lot of dogs here. I'll take a picture of this one now. You know, the motorbike. Yeah. This one is a mountain bike. Hello. What? What? It's okay? Coming. Mahal. 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 Nothing. He saw something. I don't know, the dog saw something then. They're staring at me before. Then they saw something there. They're really guarding, right? See, they're guarding. See, he's coming. Mahal. Mahal, it's coming. See, the dog is coming. Here. Oh my, I haven't seen this one. This is small one, right? Small type. But where is the right one? Alright, guava. Guava. Kenneth has everything here. He's doing everything.
Find another
Guava plant. Huh? This one? Did you hear? Come. See, look here. This one, I think it's.
this one?
Yeah. I'll get it. You can?
Yes.
Be careful.
I
Let the
can.
bottom down. You climbing?
Yeah.
Careful.
Yeah.
Oh my.
This one?
Oh yeah. Thank you.
So overripe.
Yeah, it seemed like
Overripe. There.
see, it smells good. Oh, look. This smells good, right?
Yeah.
Oh my. What is this? Pichay? This is pichay?
It's kalabasa. Pumpkin?
Pumpkin.
Yeah.
Who grows this? Kenneth?
Yeah.
Kenneth grow this one? Really? Chicken. Yeah. This all are grown Kenneth. Kenneth growing this one. Who's growing this one?
With Papa and Papa's Isha.
Isha's papa.
Yeah.
He know this one, agriculture.
Yeah.
Really?
I am the one who helped to.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good. See, yes. How old he is?
Papa's Isha? 32.
Really?
Yeah.
But he learned everything. This is fine. This, I think it's okay. This is fine. See the big one. I think the squirrel eat this one.
Yeah.
I think it's fine. What is this one? This one coffee, right? This one coffee? Oh no.
No,
Rambutan.
that's rambutan.
Oh. That one lemon. No? Lemon?
No, calamansi.
Yeah, small one.
No.
Alright. Okay. No need to go give water this one.
Every morning and later.
Who give water? I'm waiting.
I love you, Abby.
I got this finally. Fighting.
Fighting.
Oops. Oh my god.
Oh.
He's coming. Judy's climbing. Judy's careful down there is bottom.
Mahulog ka daw sa mga botilya, Bina.
Let's go. Thank you. Let's go. See, there is a lot of chicken.
Love you, Abby.
Careful, Judy.
My dear sweet Abby.
Ah, yeah, you got it. Oh, careful. Okay, get down. It's fine. Slowly. Guava. Oh. Careful. Hello. This one, Ma. It's like a tree, big tree.
I will steal your shoes because it's expensive. Then I will sell.
I use a nice one for shoe.
Then you will shop.
I never buy. I will get for you the nice one.
Tomorrow you will shop. Oh, where's my shoes? I sell because it's expensive.
See. They are coming. This is garden there. That's why they're really useful. This. Oh Lord. Gardening. Kenneth likes this lifestyle in nature, playing with nature.
So
nice soil, Mahal. This one good for agriculture. This soil. No need to give any manure, any fertilizer. See, this one naturally go. The problem if heavy rain, wind comes, everything goes, right? That's the problem. See, he used this one. Pumpkin.
that's fine. Tingnan linaw. Uy, hinalangan daday? Ay, nagkaptod sa gila? Dire? Upod lang ito na? Jelisir? Ah, nag-ano sila?
Okay. Who is making this one? This tire? We buy from. Really? He made this one? Oh my god.
It's so creative.
Yeah. Because normally this is throw. Because this is useless. They just recycle. The tires, this is one of the chemicals. Yeah. Let's go now. Let's go.
Puti ka na bing basa una ikaw-itong sino.
Ano daw?
Ini tapos gat wala apa mangkot ibang tao sa dano. Ini kat may itong pag inasi.
Isa. Isa. Playing. Oh, you playing? Isa, you playing with water? Huh?
No, Isha. No, Isha.
Isha. Okay, I will take your duck, Isha. Santul.
Santul. Hoy. Hoy, anong santol? Anong santol? Anong santol? Sa English. Hindi niya santol.
Look at Isa. Look at Isa. What she's doing there. Hey, look there.
She's playing.
Oh, why playing with water?
Because the water she's playing the water because the water is clean. Never flow.
Oh, it's really strong.
Big video sa big.
Oh my god. It's really strong.
Show your strong muscle. Hop like there.
It's really embarrassing.
Embarrassing.
It's really,
You can do it. Go.
Maybe it's broken.
It's okay. Yeah. You're a master guide, right?
No.
You do it, please.
No more master guide.
Slowly.
Let me see.
No more master guide.
Gatot mga manay sa blang.
Wait, man.
It's really heavy.
Yeah. There's some later you can get it. Slowly. Go. That's already.
Yeah, this one. Because it's dry.
Pull. Go.
Oh, that's it.
Finally.
You got it. Finally got it. Congrats.
Oh, it's broken here, ma. Okay.
Okay. Pull more. Yeah.
Ay, nako. Because how it went inside rock. Ay. Oh, it's broken here. See, three parts. It's really big one.
Go, mahal. You can do it.
We have a. Where is that? Oh, I'm looking for it. Simple. I get the opportunity to harvest this.
Look, I get the opportunity to harvest this.
Another one. See, another one is here, ma. Inside there. This one is quite bigger.
You can do it mahal. Whoops, whoops.
You're supposed to get the big one. This one.
Oops.
I think I from here.
Careful.
It's easy to take this one. Not again. Tend off is embarrassment. Tend off. The sign will go.
Well,
Yeah, let's go.
Dito na, i-off mo na.
video mahal.
Yeah, that's video. Take care.